Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Tinder app on your phone. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Scroll down from the top right of your screen. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. Tinder needs a stable connection to load profile, messages, and swipes. Next, close and reopen the app. Swipe app from the bottom to close Tinder app completely. Swipe away the app, then open it again. This can refresh the app and fix small glitches. Next step is to update or reinstall Tinder. Go to the App Store, tap on a profile at the top right, check if there is an update or delete and reinstall the app. Or if a fresh install often fixes glitches, freezing, crashing or loading problem. Also restart your phone. Sometimes the issue isn't the app but your device. Restarting clears temporary bugs and helps the app run smoothly. Finally, contact Tinder. If problem continues, go to the Tinder help center, select report a problem and explain your issue. They can help recover your account or fix app specific problem. And that's it. Following this step could fix the Tinder app freezing problem on your phone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.